We're going to practice our math fluency today because it's so important to go into middle school knowing all of your multiplication facts. And one proven way is to use flashcards that don't just have the equations, that have images on them. So pull out your math flips for this and watch my video to show what the skill is for this set of math flips. You have to cut out every card. Every card has an A side and a B side. Let's practice them together and then you're in charge of practicing the rest. Make sure you post it in Flipgrid. When you go through the deck and find a fact that you found challenging, that you found a set that was most interesting, or you just liked how it was set out, the A side and the B side. So let's take a look together. This set of math flips is 1 digit by 2 digit, and the skill is 5 is half of 10. And let's make sure we look at side A and ask us, what problem does this show? How much is there? How do you know? Flip it over, then look at side B. How much does this now? How do you know now? And what's the same and different about side A and side B? And how does side A help you with side B? Let's take look at a few together. So here's one, side A, 28 times 10. How much is it? How do you know? Yes, 28 times 10 is 280 because you're going to place a 0 on that 28. Half of that, look carefully, 28 times 5 is not a fact you know in your head, but if you go back to 28 times 10 is 280. Half of that is 140. Nice job, guys. Okay, so 16 times 10, how much? How do you know? Good, 160. Half of that, because we're just taking half the array, right? 5 is half of 10. 16 times 10 is 160, so 16 times 5 is 80. Nice job. Let's look at a few that look different. These are all the cards you have. Okay. 88 times 10. That's tricky, right? No, because we're just going to place a 0 at the end. So 88 times 10 is 880. Good, 10 times bigger. So half of that on side B is 88 times 5. Don't do the algorithm for that. Think of 88 times 10. Half of that is 440. Nice work, 5th graders. Let's look at this one. 42 times 10, how much? And how do you know? Good, 420, because 42, place a 0, 10 times bigger, 420. So 42 times 5, half of 420 is 210. Nice job, guys. Okay, let's look at a few different ones. Here's all your math flips. I'm going to go through. I don't want to show you all the answers. So there's some that are just equations, right? So 10 times 62 is 620. Half that is 310. Nice job. Let's look at another one. Yeah, that's a good one. So those are your math flips today. Cut out the cards, use them as flashcards, flip at side A. How much? How do you know? Flip over, look at side B. Make sure you do each of the pages. They're all different strategies. So take out that staple, cut them out, practice your math flips for 5 is half of 10. Thanks for working with me today, 5th graders.